I want to share with you how I made this amazing recipe. Welcome to this kitchen, your home of amazing recipe. Please stay back, subscribe, comment, share and like. Thanks. To get started, we have to chop our carrots. We chop our fresh pepper, then the green vegetable which I have already parboiled. We add all these ingredients in a bowl, then our eggs. I'll be using 3 eggs for this recipe. We add some salt, and then stir all the ingredients together properly. Please, if you like what you are watching, you can please click on the like button and also let me know where you are watching from. After stirring, the next thing we have to do is to turn our mixture into a nylon. Then we tie and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is what we got. You can see how it came out. Beautiful. Let me give it a slice and see how it looks beautiful inside. You can see how beautiful it is. I know you love to try this. Please let me know how you feel about this in my comment section. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for more awesome videos like this. Thanks for watching.